If you're chatting with somebody on WhatsApp, sometimes you prefer to send a photo that you don't want the other person to keep around. You want it to be able to send it and have it disappear completely. Maybe it's a sensitive or private photo that you want the other person to be able to see basically once, and then it is permanently deleted. It's a cool feature that is built into WhatsApp. I'll show you exactly how it works. So I have my iPhone here. I'm going to open up the WhatsApp app and I'm going to send a view once photo to my Android phone here. I'll show you exactly what it looks like and how it functions. So I'm going to tap on Trevor Android here. And then as if I was typing a message, instead of the message, I'm going to tap on the little camera icon. I can either upload a photo or just take a photo of my desk. I'm just going to do that. And now if I hit send, they would be able to see this over and over and save it to their device. However, right above the send button, there's a little 1 with a solid circle and then a dash circle. If I tap on that, you can see now it switches to a solid 1. This is a disappearing photo or a view once photo. So let me send that. And then I should get this right here. You can see it says photo, but it doesn't show the preview. And on my Android phone, again, it says photo 1, and it doesn't show the preview. However, if I tap on it on my Android phone, I can hit OK, and I'll be able to see it. However, once I hop out of here, you can see it says opened, and I can't tap on it again. And essentially, you can't tap on it on either phone, and it is disappeared and no longer kept as a record on WhatsApp. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.